do you like the new Beamers, the ones with
the big grill?
Yeah.
I hate them.
Astro. Oh my god. Okay. Kind of compensated for that by accident. That is so sick. The price of this gold wrap to envelop even just half of an FRS was fake. Hi. Let's go for a walk. Yo. Oh my gosh. What up, guys? Good morning. This is how I bundle up. Toque, face mask, or basically a bandana, and of course you got your super thick winter jacket, and I got gloves too. So this is for the minus 35-degree weather. Thanks for patience. Oh. All right, guys, let's get today started. I don't know, guys. I can't do this. It's so cold. You can see it on my eyebrows. All right, time to start the day. Oh my gosh, it is freezing outside. Okay. Oh, by the way, if you haven't seen the last vlog, this is our Christmas tree this year. This super sad looking Charlie Brown tree. We're gonna gather around this tree and what the heck? What? What's up, what's up? Are you in play mode? What the hell? I'll be back. All right, it's warmed up tremendously, but earlier today, plus wind chill, it was like minus 35. That's negative 35 in Fahrenheit as well. So before heading to the garage, just gonna quickly drop off some packages. I should take this guy out. And go on, look. Who's this? What the heck is this? This guy's like the same size as our Snorlax. Too lazy to dig him out. We'll compare sizes later. All right, Holmes, let's go. Always gotta double make sure. For reals though. All right, just be super safe. Okay, good.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Everywhere you go, you go. Had to modify these boots so they wouldn't unzip on me when I'm walking. Look, I glued this Velcro on there, but it helps. There you go. What the? Oh my god. So I actually got another offer for this thing, but at this point, I don't know if I want to let go of it. What do you smell there, buddy? Uh-oh. Should let my car warm up. No! Oops. We just came to the old garage because I sold my RX-8 stock bumper and I'm here to pick it up. We haven't been to this garage in weeks and I think power and gas are both out, so I'm just hoping it's not too cold in here. Yeah, sheesh. Zero power. My landlord's only issue was maybe the water pipes might freeze, but no. Whew. So if you guys haven't been following us on the channel, the winner for this RX-8 has already been chosen. But you guys would have had to be in there for the live stream. Except actually that live stream is still watchable. So this is actually going to somebody in Las Vegas. Keeping it safe here for the winter. Yeah, sad. There's no lights on right now. There's also these are going to the other garage. Let me see if I can actually brighten things up. What? All right, no, this camera is sick. Yes, the EDFC, guys. This is going to be going into the FRS. We'll get into more detail on exactly what this is for those who don't know when we install it. Basically, it's just an automatic dampening system for teen coilovers. And voila. This is what we came here for. Yeah, that is perfect. We're into the E30s, right?
Yeah.
The classic European cars.
Correct, yeah.
Yeah.
And then I started getting, you know, E46 M3, and now I have an E90 4-door.
Oh, nice.
6 feet.
Yeah, how do you like the new Beamers, the ones with a...
With a big grill?
Yeah.
I hate them. I think it's just insulting to the brand. What do they want to do? Keep the tradition. This is the problem with everybody.
Right.
Everybody wants to be like everybody else.
Yeah.
Instead of keeping your identity.
That's it, right?
I'm sorry, I'm old-fashioned.
I'm with you, man. Like, how can you push your uniqueness? How can you be more different than everyone else, right?
That's why, you know what? How many times I'm on a traffic light and I look at something and I gotta look at the logo in the middle of the door.
Right.
The wheel. What the hell are you? Anyway, thank you.
Of course, yeah.
This is awesome. You're going through the front or the back?
I'll be sitting through here. Thank you. Yeah, happy
I admire
holidays.
What you do.
Okay?
You too, mate. Thank you.
Appreciate that.
Sorry, I don't mean to harass you on the phone.
Honestly, sometimes I need that for my
Somebody
personal.
to shake you a bit.
Exactly, just a little
Hold
push,
it.
right?
That was my beginnings. When I was 9, I was doing go-karts. Motor on this side, one motor on the other side. This is why I'm wearing hearing lights today, hearing aids. I lost 75% and 25%.
No way. So
20,000 RPMs here, 20,000 RPM here.
Whoa.
Formula 3 is the most I ever
F3.
climbed. And then I said to myself, I better work to make money.
Amazing, yeah.
But
It's, oh man.
Oh God. The stuff I've done with this is insane. It's insane. I had the best mentor in the world, 5-time world champion,
No way.
Juan Manuel Fangio. So yeah, I'm old.
Well, hey man, it's relative, right? You're just in a different season.
Experience.
Yeah, that's it.
As long as you can remember what you've done, that's all good.
Exactly.
Thank you, sir.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Okay.
Take
Merry
care.
Christmas. That guy's super cool. So that was basically our landlord. I mean, he's super into cars too. At the end of the day, they don't really harass us about what we do inside the building as long as that rent is paid. Just right now, it's a little bit concerning that there's no heat or gas when it's like -40 in Calgary because it's expensive to replace frozen piping. Also, I've been looking for this book. This is my journal actually, and I've been looking for it for almost 2 weeks. This is my life's work, like how I progress in life. If there's something troubling me, if there are any problems, I make sure to write it down just to give you more mental energy and more space in your thoughts. Here, maybe we can give you one thing, I guess. Oh, there. Kryptonite is what makes Superman interesting, not his superpowers or character, but the story about his weaknesses and his failure. What the? Prioritizing my time. This is to be able to afford everything you want and get out of debt. Even went through strategic plans. It's got to be the tiniest swing set. I don't know guys, should I get one of those? They're not that expensive here. Actually, they're insanely available here for like 2 or 3K. I just don't like wagons much. Sorry guys. Well, this might be an issue. Partially my fault because I have the FRS here too, and the guys on that side actually still need to do their work. But as long as I can open the trunk, what the? Always closed. Completely out of batteries. Yeah, no, this ain't gonna work. We need that FC to be diagonal, just like that. And that'll do. All right. Damn it. Right, second idea, we're gonna be using my FRS's old battery. This should be okay. Look how dinky that is. That's like a motorcycle battery. Oh, there you go. So today's plan, we're just gonna finish up our cabinets. Like we've been putting this off on hold for the longest time, almost 2 weeks now. So we're gonna finish installing all the sides and the tops and cabinet doors on the cabinets. I was thinking of screwing them in, but I'm just gonna try and find the staple gun here and we're just gonna staple and glue them. Today's plan. So while we were waiting for the glue to dry, we put the rest of our sink together. Finally, I've already installed the hinges. So now I'm just gonna put the doors on them, install the magnet, and hopefully by the time I finish that, this will have dried, and then we can install the drawer. Finish up the drawer system, because we still have to put the front face of it. This has to align perfectly in the middle here, with the top and bottom doors. We getting there, guys. I mean, ideally, I wish I had all the time in the world and I just like spend it here. Also, I have a feeling Gohan doesn't really like hanging out here all that much. Plus, I don't like him laying down on this girl's floor, and there's a lot of wood cutting here too, so everything gets stuck in that kid's fur. Okay, let's finish this, guys. Beautiful. Sick. This is sick. Okay, just gonna start putting all the shelves back. This one goes up here. Staple it down. Just making sure that everything fits first. Oh, so perfect. Make sure the cabinet still closes. So dope. Now we're just missing this drawer. And also we gotta put the desk back in. Waiting for the glue to dry, have it wedged using the lift. Just gonna clean up in here, take anything that doesn't need to be inside here out, throw away all the garbage, and also, yeah, just tidy up. Tomorrow though, we can actually get started on the flooring. We'll have to take everything out. I still have to finish the bed. There's an armrest idea that I'm gonna be doing, which I'm gonna be adding on this side. It's gonna act as an armrest, but also we're gonna put these hinges right here. So if you wanted, you can use it as a bed extension. And then there'll be a support going this way for your head. Again, guys, the idea is to have the cot the same level as the front seat, because when I get the swivel for our chair in the front, the passenger seat, we're gonna be able to swing that chair around and basically just use it as a long bed. That's the idea anyway. Again, I haven't really seen anyone do it like that. So really this is us just winging it. Hopefully everything plays out how we want it. Also, this is pretty cool. I didn't actually attach this to the cabinet. You still have the option of sliding this thing out. So if you wanted, wait, that's a little tight. Like this. So you actually have access to the inside of the cabinet from here. I just put 2 L brackets, one on the bottom, one on the top. Ta-da! Flush. We're also still planning on adding some sort of extra table thing here as an extension. So you can fold it out and maybe use it as like a mini kitchen or something to prep food or whatever. Kind of like this. If we make it the same length and like maybe do it there or something, it'll be a fairly decent table. I just got a dumb idea. Should we reappropriate this as a toilet inside the XB? It's like perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and start gluing the tabletop now. Sweet. What? Ah, fucker. Shit. Oh, I'm out. Sweet. Front. Wow, that is amazing. And the final piece to our cabinet, this diamond knob for the drawer. Beautiful. Oh, we got a drawer. That's so sick. And what's cool about this is it actually acts as a ledge for one of our shelves. Just gonna put this back in here. Yeah, so like that. Kind of compensated for that by accident. That is so sick. So that's it. Other than prettying it up and painting it all black, and also adding the tabletop, like the, I guess the fake wood laminate, to make this a little prettier, hide all of these imperfections. But other than that, guys, oh! We're good here, man. Cabinet system's complete. We still have to figure out the hidden compartment here. We're gonna be using this for the latch. These magnets up here haven't been installed yet, but once those are closed, look how perfect it lines up with the floor. So we'll still be able to open this guy. All right, guys, I think I'm done here. We're gonna be working more on the FRS in the next few days. I have the EDFC, which we need to install. Plus, we're gonna be ripping off the gold wrap pretty soon here, so this is the last time you might see it like this, guys. Take it all in. Guess how much it was to wrap even just half of the FRS in gold wrap? 3,500 bucks. So pretty much like 25–30% more expensive than just your regular gloss wrap. Not to mention that if you plan on giving it off to a shop to wrap, you're probably gonna pay an extra $2,000 to $3,000 on top of the wrap itself. So close to $6,000 to get your car wrapped in gold chrome. Luckily for me, I have the knowledge and I practically wrapped this myself. So, except when we did it last year, again, it was like a time crunch. I was wrapping this last minute at the hotel room, like 4 hours before the actual event. I got horror stories. And honestly, I'm over the gold wrap. Kinda do miss the green, like majority of you guys too. Plus, a lot of you guys probably started following this channel because of my how to wrap the interior of an FRS. And that was gloss green. Believe it or not, actually, I haven't changed the inside of this since wrapping that. That is still the original Okiura sticker that I bought off eBay because I didn't actually know where to get stickers made until like years after. But yeah, everything is still the same here. Oh my God, whoever's been handling this ruined this even more. Oh, whatever, I'm gonna replace those next year. All right, I'll see you guys at the home studio base. We'll just conclude at home. Old room. I think I'm gonna sleep here for the night, guys. Look at this view though. This is where I used to spend all of my time. Oh, what? Teen coilovers. Or I think, no, these are my stock ones. What the heck? I was looking for those actually. Yeah, and if you're wondering why I'm using my phone, it's because I ran out of batteries for the DSLR. Damn! I miss this hat. We should bring back the buckets. This is my PlayStation 2 collection. Goes to show you what games I was into. Pokemon, Kingdom Hearts, Tekken, Final Fantasies. I don't even think this has been built yet. Astro, oh my God, okay. I'm bad. I have 3 unbuilt Gundams still in their box. Well, I'm gonna go upstairs and eat. My mom's prepping already for our Christmas feast, so there's so much Filipino food upstairs. Yeah, also, I'm just gonna end this video. Just super happy that we finally finished our cabinet system. Once we paint all the furniture black and the flooring's down and we finish up the cot, it's gonna look a lot more homely. Promise, guys, but that's gonna be in the next video. So appreciate y'all for watching as always. Happy holidays, and if we don't see you guys between now and Christmas, which we probably will, don't worry, I'm gonna upload more between now and then. Merry Christmas anyways. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.